Hey everyone, it's Ruta here, and today I'm interviewing one of Marketing Accelerator students, Umme Kulsum, and I'm so excited to talk to her. She has a bunch of wins, and I want to share her story and how she was able to achieve that with you guys.
Hi, thank you. Thank you so much. And hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Ruta, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you one is to one. I have been waiting for this so long. So I'm really excited. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So, are you in the 50K club or the 1 lakh club from MA?
I am in the 1 lakh club right now. In fact,
Awesome.
I directly applied for the 1 lakh club. Yeah.
That's awesome. So, guys, for anyone who is listening this and who don't know, the 1 lakh club is when a student makes 1 lakh INR in 1 month. We send them a nice T-shirt and we celebrate them in the group and we are proud of them. So, like Umme Kulsum is in the 1 lakh club, which is amazing. So, tell us about yourself, like your background, education, and career, and what do you do right now?
All right. So basically, I'm a homeopath. I'm a homeopathic consultant, and I've studied from Bombay, and I settled in Indore. So as soon as I was too much keen into practicing and all. So as soon as I passed out, I set up my own clinic, and everything was going fine. And I also knew that I wanted to start with family quite early. So once I got pregnant, so after having my baby, she was a preemie actually, and so that is why I had to give in a lot of care. And that was the time when I realized that I wanted to practice, but I did not want to go to the clinic for those long hours. So then what do I do? So I actually consulted somebody in the very beginning, I think 4 years back, and he suggested that Ume Kulsum, the market that you are sitting into right now does not understand your work, so why not get online? So I thought a lot, and once just scrolling through Instagram, I came across your ad, be your own boss thing. And honestly, I have selected this field because I always wanted to be my own boss. I was too much, like convinced by my teachers, you're very good in maths, go for engineering, this, that. But I was like, no, I wanted to work for myself. I cannot do the 9 to 5 thing, report to somebody. So yeah, I took that leap of faith and I joined MAA, and it was really difficult in the beginning. Just like editing one image in Canva took me roughly around 40 minutes. And yeah, so it was tough. It wasn't easy. I just did some part of the course, then again went back, did again some part of the course, but eventually I completed all the stuff that I needed. I knew what I wanted from the course, honestly. So yeah, it was just like I took that leap of faith, and right now I'm consulting online. Initially those were the days when I used to always think, okay, fine, I have patients in 2 3 4 states. I used to count the states in which I have patients. Now I count the states in which I don't have patients.
Okay.
So
That's
now
awesome.
it's like all across India I have patients from, say, like Jammu to Kerala to Mumbai to Nagaland. Like everything is covered. Even in US, UK, Canada, I have my patients. So I do consult online. At the same time, I have two clinics in Indore. So yeah, that's what my life is right now.
That's amazing. So, guys, for everyone hearing, I know MA caters to primarily freelancers, but because we teach a lot of things about like marketing skills on how to market your own business, as well as how to find clients from all across the world, Umme Kulsum did not become a marketing freelancer per se, but she kind of used the principles that we teach inside to like market her own business, to start her consulting business from scratch. And like as she said, now she has clients all over the world. And I am sure like you love the freedom of being able to work from home, to be with your family and your kid, and to work and to have all this freedom. So how has that been like?
It has been amazing. Honestly, I get to choose my own timings. At times, I tell my friends that if they ask me, are you free to catch up in the afternoon? I'm like, no, that is the time I'm working. So they're like, who works in the afternoon? I'm like, I work in the afternoon because my child is sleeping at that time. So I get to choose my own timing. If I want to, I consult my US, UK, like I talk to them, US, UK patients early in the morning, later in the night. So it's absolute flexibility. And I also want to mention here, like during the time of lockdown, like before lockdown, this entire online consultation thing was quite remote, and a lot of people did not do it, but then it was need of the hour. So what MMA helped me in this as well, and that is why it's worth mentioning actually. So I thought, this entire thing was going on, how to consult patients online, and there were Practo and this and Just Dial selling their packages, Practo selling their packages, and a lot of other companies and apps selling their services. So I thought that if there is something, see, MAA has been something which has helped me in such a way that it is made for marketers and for business owners. So in my particular business, I could find what works for me and what it is that it needs to be done to set up an online e-clinic. So I thought that if I know something, why not I just enlighten people that there is something like that you can do, and you don't have to pay in lakhs to other companies. So I just thought, out of the blue once, okay, chalo, let's do a free webinar and Instagram training. Then while I was just jotting down notes and preparing for the webinar, I thought that you're supposed to sell something at the end of the webinar. So why not? Let's just plan something. And just out of that, I created one entire course specially for doctors, that can help them start their e-clinic. So, and that was amazing. And to my surprise, like 2 to 3 people signed up for that. So
That's
it's not only just helping me set up my own e-clinic, but at the same time empowering me to think something out of the box and start a course specially for doctors to set up their own e-clinic. So that's something again, MAA has done for me.
That's awesome. I love hearing the story. So that's the thing, you guys, with clients, when you work with clients and customers, you're not just affecting them, but you're affecting more lives via them. And those are the kind of stories that I love the most, because MA has such like extensive information, and we give a ton of coaching and everything. But at the end of the day, you want to go in and see what you want to implement, what are your goals. So with MA, you can do so many things, but the idea is not to run after so many directions, but to like try a couple of things and narrow down on the thing that you want to focus on. So with that, Ume Kulsum, if you had to choose two pieces of content in MA that have most helped you, what would they be?
See, honestly, as you said, the content is vast. The content is really vast. For the first time when I opened the course and I saw, I'm like, really? I am a total book and pen person. I'm so orthodox. And you, Ruta, you have helped me convert into this, doing this laptop thing and just even writing my notes here. So it's vast. At the same time, it's broken down into such small tiny bits of pieces, and every minute detail is it's so helpful, and every minute thing is mentioned which you need. So honestly, if my favorite thing has to be the Facebook ad part, though it is the longest, but that is one module which has helped me connect to all these IT people so well. Now I understand how ads work, and every time I saw one lecture, I was like, wow, this can work and this works. I was so excited, honestly. So that is one piece which is my favorite. And other than that, get clients has to be one thing. Now for me, for others, you get clients. Okay, you get clients for marketing and for social media management and stuff. If that chapter can get me patients, it can definitely get you clients, is what I believe. So that part where you mentioned that making portfolio and this that, I created a portfolio myself before I had a website, and that helped me so much. It's like, all your information in just, and how to create that step by step. I literally opened 2 screens on my laptop. One side was the sample portfolio that you give, and then I created mine. So it was so helpful. So all these it's vast, but it's broken down so beautifully that you would not feel that it's so much and you're doing so much, because everything is mentioned precisely. Also, what my favorite is, wherein you give that breaks, just implement it right now. Which that is my favorite. I love that, and without implementation is just something, binge watching something, that's it.
Yeah, it's not Netflix. It's definitely not Netflix. We need to
Absolutely.
implement to move forward and grow in life. And that is amazing. So anyone who comes in and thinks, oh, I'm just going to watch the videos and I'm going to get clients magically. No, you will have to implement. Our course is so implementation heavy. And honestly, you will not succeed if you don't implement. So like, that's just the thing. And I love what you said about that. Oh, if this get clients method can work for me to get patients all across the world in a field where people are, what should I say, like they are kind of wary of trusting doctors and homeopathics and all of that stuff. Ume Kulsum, without a website, managed to get social proof and raise the trust of her prospects and audience, and then managed to convert patients without any fancy funnel or without any website, especially at the start. That's what matters, guys. You do not need like a fancy website or a fancy funnel, especially at the start, to get a few clients at the start. Your first goal should be to make money very, very fast and not to build fancy things that is gonna drain more money. So with MA, we also take the approach of how you get results fast with minimum investment. And I love that story. I love that story of hustling and like troubleshooting things with like minimum time and money investment, and that is great.
Yes, another part, another thing is which really helped me is that, whenever I wanted to take a break, and I just came back to MAA again and again. So it was so easy for me, because the way everything is placed, it's quite easy for me to pick up what I really, really want. It's not that, before, when I started online consultation, I had a few patients, and the way you have mentioned thing in get clients module, that you have to find friends and family first and start getting tests. So the way everything is mentioned, nothing has worked for me differently. It's the same pattern which has worked for me. So
Mhm.
initially I charged less. Those were the first people who knew me, since as I told you, I'm from Mumbai. So a lot of people were there who wanted to consult, but they always say, oh, she's in Indore, so
Yeah.
forget it. So those were the people who came up to me first. Those were the people who gave me their testimonials, and it worked. It works. Like initial few cases of mine where people had allergies since 10 years, 20 years. So they were off medication within 6 months. So it
Amazing.
was so amazing. So that helped me get those testimonials. And the get client module section is arranged in such a way that the way it works for marketers, similarly it worked for me. So like people who knew me, who were, since I told you I'm from Mumbai, so there were my friends and family there who wanted to consult me, but they thought that now, oh, she's in Indore and it's difficult. So those are the first people who approached me for treatment, even my relatives and all. So those were the people whom I treated for like years, long standing complaints, chronic allergy issues or something like that, and they were off medication within 6 months. So I got their testimonials, and that's how I could build up my portfolio and get started getting more patients. So earlier I had to struggle, obviously, like it's you have to put in a lot of hard work, which is true. And for me, I think it was more because I was so not a tech person. But then that willingness that I had to do it, and that's how the get clients module, if it can work for me, it can definitely work for you. The reason being that everything is arranged in such a manner that it's standard. It's nothing case specific. It's standard. It works. If you implement it, it works. It has to work.
Absolutely. If you implement, it's gonna work. It might take you more time. Some might, get results fast. Some might take months. But if you implement and you optimize and you keep getting better and better at what you're doing, there is no doubt in my mind that the MA system can work for like anyone, be it freelancers, business owners, people like you who want to promote their own consulting, which is not necessarily in marketing or tech, but also in things like homeopathy homeopathy or anything else that you have like a unique business idea, it can work in that. So I love hearing that. The So Kulsum, what would you advise anyone who might be on the fence on joining MA? They may be thinking, oh, it's a lot of investment, I'm not sure if I should join or not. So what would you say to them honestly, with your experience and with the results that you're getting? What should they do at this point?
There is this what I believe, I'm going to say that, because it's, first of all, it's not really huge of an investment. You can get back everything depending on how well you implement. So I wouldn't say how well you complete the course, but how well you implement everything. It's okay if you are stuck at the Facebook module for like in first 1 or 1.5 to 2 months, but if you implement that module itself really well, you are going to get back the money very, very soon. So implementation is one thing. Second is, there has to be one reason for which you are looking for options or you're looking for a change, and that is why you stopped at MAA. So even if you are at a fence, there has to be a reason. So if that reason is strong enough for you to change your life, and if you are ready to change, because as it is said, the old you cannot get the new results. So you have to change. So if you're ready to work hard and that passion is so strong for which you have stopped at the fence, then jump in. All you're feeling is only fear, and if it's about money, you're definitely going to get it back within months or maybe few
Definitely.
days. We have had, I think I've seen in the group, we have had students who have got money within 15 days or 20 days and even a month. So it's like you can get it back.
Yeah, exactly. It's an investment. So if you
Yes.
invest X amount of money and you can get it back within 1 or 2 months, with just 1 or 2 clients, and then whatever you make after that, it's just profit, because that system you can use month after month after month all your life. So you're investing in a way of life, and it's game changer if you like take the leap, because as she said, it's just fear. We are just always, our brain is always protecting us from doing new things, because our brain wants us to keep protected, stay in our comfort zone and everything. But it's not going to work if you have big dreams. If you have, you like, exactly as you are here, you have a dream in your heart. That's why you're here, that, oh, I want to quit my horrible job, I do not want to work on weekends for someone else, I want to work for myself, I want to stay home with my kids while working, while choosing my own time, I want to share my knowledge with clients, as she said, all across India, in all the states and all across the world. So if you have some of those dreams, then Marketing Accelerator, definitely check it out. If you can, go ahead and check it out, watch through more testimonials of us, because we are so proud to have 100+ success stories. So if you want to know more, the link to enroll is in the description. And guys, if you loved hearing Kulsum's story and her like enthusiastic nature and all the good things that she told us, comment below and let her know if this was helpful. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And Kulsum, thanks so much for coming in and chatting with me. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to celebrate more wins from you. Next time, I want to kind of hear something on the notes of, oh, now I can count some countries on my hand where I don't have clients. Like, that's where I want to see you go.
Sure. Thanks to you, because you have been that constant anchor in changing so many people's life and getting them closer to their dreams. So while we are talking about investment, one thing I really want to mention, it's worth mentioning here, is earlier, since I'm new to this entire field and all, I was so afraid to invest into ads. I was really scared. I was like, oh my God, I have to pay rent, I have to pay my assistant, I have to pay this. Why invest here again? So I was so scared. But trust me, the first month when I invested in ads, it did not work because I made mistakes. I went back to the module, I corrected those, and I came back. And the second month when I invested, the income that I got was 10x. So it was
Amazing.
not double, it was triple, it was 10x the income only via online consultation. So
Mhm.
it's taking, just battling that fear and taking that step ahead based on the faith that you have. It works magically. In fact, I made this 10x income. And just recently, few days back, I actually came to know the meaning of ROI. Till then, I did not know what is ROI. I was like, oh, this is ROI, but it has already worked for me, so that's okay.
You're already ROI positive, so you don't mind.
Yes, I'm very ROI positive. Yes, yes.
Awesome. Guys, I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you again, Kulsum. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for having me here, and all the best to you as you're writing your own book right now. So all
Yes.
the best to you for that.
Yes. Thank you.
All right.